enzani lapha eSouth Africa? Enzani uzero yinkinga? Ngizolapha okusha kuvuka okudala, nilapho okudala kuvuka okusha, asindawo. Uzokhumbula-ke ukuthi-ke ngane yakwethu last time ngakhuluma ngokuthi kungani labantu abakwi-poverty as per explanation-ke ye-economics, less than $3 per person per day, or they are spiritually displaced. Why bengayithandi? Why bethanda ukulwa? Why bethanda ucansi nokuzala? Why bengenandaba nepurpose, i-self love bengenayo, nokuthanda abanye, bephambane nenhlanhla? All of those things I explained, which because their energy is down in these three centers, and these three centers are only concerned about survival. Yabo? So this is the energy consumption. This is not an energy expansion. So there are things that are keeping your energy down there. Yabo? And those things are reinforced time to time, intentionally. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akhasha uthi ngizaya noma yini, noma inini, noma kanjani, kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya, ungatatazeli, uyabona. Ake siqale nje ngo-survival. Kwenzakalani uma ngabe usuke i-survival? Uma usuke i-survival, usuke soku-activate-ke i-sympathetic nervous system kuwena. Yabona nje lento it just has to do with fear, because the primary function of your brain is for you to survive. So if there is something that is threatening your survival, then it means your sympathetic nervous system has to kick in. The primary brain has to kick in, and then this one, actually human brain, the reasoning brain, the neocortex, will shut down. You don't reason if you are in a survival mode, if you are in a sympathetic nervous system, and then you don't have love, you don't enjoy, because once you are in the survival mode, the brain, the blood will flow, will move from your brain down to your muscles that will help you to fight or flee. So the blood will flow through to your muscles. Yabo? So ngaleso sikhathi ke la soku empty. That is why umuntu okwi survival ungamtshela noma yini ayikhola ukuthi uma wenza ukuthi le danger oyiperceivayo wena izosuka. Uma uvotela thina wena, impilo yakhe izoshintsha, because vele kwi survival mele sikuflade ngani ngeinformation ethi ethreatenisha isurvival yakho, ukuthi lalela mathuba omsebenzi awekho, lalela lana uhulumeni wethu ubanje ngobhongwane, akukho safe. Kumele sikufake zonke lezi zinto ezikwenza ukuthi uperceive i-danger, so that uzoba la. Then you won't reason. If you don't reason, you don't even think long term. You're always going to be controlled, moved side by side like pawns in a chessboard. You don't become a player. You live by default now, fear, not by design. Ukuthi, what do I want to believe? Yabo? Because the thing here, ukuthi wena ubelieve ukuthi this thing is important for your survival. Yabo? And then once that thing that you perceive as important for your survival, once that thing has been shaken a little bit, then they are not only shaking that thing, they are shaking your survival. Even though they are not shaking you, if they shake this, let's take this into money. Money, they said we need money to survive. To get money, you need to work. Okay? So, money, work means survival to you. So, if I'm going to release news that says job opportunities now are scarce, the unemployment rate is increasing, those things, they are threatening your survival as a person, because job means surviving. Yabo? Even if you are working, if they give you more work, they give you more work intentionally. They give you a lot of work, and work that doesn't make sense intentionally for you to enter into a survival mode so that they control you. You see? Because once they give you more work, and then it's like une-incapacity ukwenza lo msebenzi, it's like umsebenzi uyakuhlula. Now that means now I have fear ke manje ukuthi ngingachargewa noma ngingaxoshwa noma ngenzakalani, because this work means survival to me. So sengikwi-fear ke manje. I can do whatever I can to protect my job. Yabo? So you don't reason by that time. You do whatever they say in your job. You don't even tell them no. La, I think ngiyangitshela lokho, angingitsheli lokho nje. Yabo? So because now bakubambe ngobhongane, because when for you say job means survival. Yabo? You believe that. You are the one who believe that. So that's how you landed to this stage ukuthi ubone ezinye izinto, ubone ezinye izinto zi-impacteka around you. It's not that those things are being impacted. It's you that is being impacted. And then when you just enter with survival mode, with fight or flight. Yabo? So that is why ke labantu uthola ukuthi kulula nje ukuthi uthi wena asambe nsotoyitoy uzobathola fast, because already they are tense. They are tense. They are ready. They are ready for a war, because this is a solar plexus for a war. Fighting. They are ready. They use power, physical power. And bethanda ucansi ngakuchaza ke lokho. And mawukuleso sigaba leso, awucabangi indaba zokuthanda omunye umuntu, instead ubona ukuthi ngcono umkhripe wena, because you want money, because money means survival. If there is someone somewhere like udayisa lento oyidayisayo, when activate a sympathetic nervous system la, lo muntu lona uzothreatenisha, uzomthathela ama customer, sho lo muntu uyangibulala. I want energy killer, and then you kill that person because there is no love. Why they kill each other? Bafakwe ngamabomu la, kuneyindaba abayibukayo that keeps on repeating one and the same thing, because once your energy goes up there, even the negative thoughts, they just keep, you just put yourself into fear, because izinto zikholiwe wena ekhulisweni kwakho, izinto zikholiwe wena. Whether you need money to survive or not, that's not a question. The question is, what is your reaction towards that? What is your reaction? Because into emenza umuntu angaphumi ngisho ukuphuma la, imali ibekwe lapha, imali lapha ya, and yena la, and ucabanga ukuthi yena uzosebenzisa ipower, le physical power ukuzothola lento la, imali. Kanti by law, spiritual law of attraction, the universe will only give you what you are ready for, because ngokwe automatic reticular system is to shut down amanye ama possibilities, because there's too much information. Your mind works as a filter, will filter anything esho ukuthi wow ukusurvive, like kuright, kumnandi ukuphila, and all of those things. There are opportunities everywhere, money is flowing. Izokushutha down konke lokho ingqondo, because when we are on the survival, and then you focus on doing that threatens your survival. So time to time you will see things ezizokuphuca imali, uzobona izinto ezizolwa nawe, uzobona izinto ezizokuhlukumeza, uzobona izinto ezikukhombisa ukuthi akukho safe kangakanani. Yabo, then your reality will be horrible, because already when into ekholiwe ukuthi these are the things that you need to survive, lezo zinto ezikholiwe uzibona mazinyakaziseka, ubona ukuthi kunyakazisa survival yakho, and then activate sympathetic nervous system. By law of attraction, you will keep on seeing things that are not favorable. You will keep on seeing izinto ezizokusabisa. You will keep on seeing things ezingayona lento efisayo wena. That and then bese kuba neindaba ke ekumele ukuthi zilokhu zipopulate njalo ezikufaka kwi-fear, so that you'll remain here. Yabo, and you'll be controlled, because the thing is, this has to shut down. This has to shut down. Ngisakhuluma nje ngalo konke lokho kunya ngakakuthinti. Ngisakhuluma ukuthi ke manje bakwenza ngamabomu konke lokho. Part 3 years